Here is our very first challenge for the contact tracing app, and as part of this challenge we are going to create 4 Apex classes for all the 4 different objects that we have in the contact tracing application. For the person object, we are going to create an Apex class named as CT person controller. For the location object, we are going to create an Apex class named as CT location controller. For the people tracing object, we are going to create an Apex class as CT people tracing controller. And for the location tracing object, we are going to create an Apex class named as CT location tracing controller. And here, if you have noticed, we are using a prefix CT just to denote that these Apex classes are for our contact tracing application. Inside the CT person controller class, you need to create a method called getToken, which is going to accept a string parameter which will be the mobile number, and using this mobile number you need to generate a secure token. And to generate this secure token you need to use MD5 hashing, and once you generate this secure token you can return back this secure token to the method caller. So this is the method that we need to write inside the CT person controller class. Now let me give you a hint how you can generate a secure token from a string using the MD5 hashing. For that, let's Google MD5 hashing in Apex, and you will find a link from developer.salesforce.com, and this is about the documentation on the crypto class. So let's click on this link and this should take us to Apex developer guide, where we can find the documentation about some of the methods in this class. So once you are on this page, search for MD5 and you will find a method called generate digest. Now this method, it takes an algorithm name and then it uses that algorithm to generate a one-way hash. So you will use this algorithm to create a blob object which will call our hash, and then we will pass this token back to the method caller. Now good thing about this MD5 algorithm is it's a one-way hashing methodology. So whatever the input that you will supply to this algorithm, it's going to generate a secure token based on that, and it will be almost impossible to convert this token back to the original string. And that's exactly what we want. We are going to use our mobile number to generate this token, and using this token a user cannot get back the original information like the mobile number or the username. And one more thing about the MD5 algorithm is, for one input it always generates same output. For example, if you generate this token for the same mobile number, you'll get the same token in return. So this way we can also prevent the duplicate mobile numbers as well in our system, because the output of this method will always be same for the same mobile number. So you need to use this method. You need to pass your mobile number to this blob.value of method so that you can convert your mobile number to a blob object. And then you need to use the generate digest method from crypto class to generate a secure token, and this will again return a blob object. And in the end we need to convert this blob object to a string value so that we can return it back to the method caller. So complete this challenge, and if you are stuck somewhere, then you can pick up some hints from the next video where I'll be explaining the solution.